Welcome back. So it's very hot. One of the things when you're in the Philippines is you see things differently than you would in Canada. For one, this is just a little narrow street. Hardly any room for cars to get through, but somehow they do. But just over here on the side of the street, we're getting ready to prepared to cook some fish. So I'm going to flip the camera really quick. That's cheating using a torch.
Yeah. It's easy to burn the charcoal.
Uling. This is called uling. Charred coconut shells used for charcoal. Works great. There's a nice flavor to the meat. All this right on the side of the street. Is that all uling?
Yeah. Charcoal.
That's a lot. Takes a bit to get going, but once it gets going, it's great. I've cooked on it a few times. Pretty much anything goes here. If you need a space to cook, the side of the street is just as acceptable as anywhere else. I don't know if I mentioned, but it's really quite warm here today. I've tried not to do too much, sit in the shade, but even in the shade, it's quite hot. But I didn't come to the southern Philippines to have cold weather, I'll tell you that. This is a completely unrelated fire. I think this one's just burning scrap leaves. And over here somewhere I can hear somebody singing karaoke. The sights and sounds. And I do love the sights. Very tropical. Another thing I find quite fascinating here in the Philippines is how fast it gets dark. It just seems like 15 minutes ago it was daylight, and now the sun is going down quickly. And I suppose this has something to do with the proximity to the equator. We're not too far north of the equator here. Coming from the north, at least in the summertime, it takes a long time for the sun to go down. Of course, in the winter, it's much faster. Here, let's take a look. The fire's starting to happen.
We'll wait until it burns. Half is okay.
Nice.
Another half is on.
It's milkfish. sorry.
Luto na nila.
Ha?
Anong bo?
Ah, okay na.
Oh. Okay. Okay.